Okay, let's solve one last problem, and we will need to do some unit conversions. So we have a new sidewalk, and it's going to be 4 feet wide and 150 feet long, and filled to a depth of 6 inches or a half foot. So I'm just going to I'm using this use model, right? Understand, solve, explain. So to understand, I'm just going ahead and drawing myself a little picture, right? Volume is length times width times depth in this case. Really would be height normally, right? And it's going to be 150 feet. It's going to be 4 feet wide, and then it's going to be a half a foot tall. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and set my formula up, right? So I got 150 feet times 4 feet times 0.5 feet. All right, and now I need to change each one of these feet to yards. And remember, we have 3 feet equals 1 yard is our conversion factor. So we can write that either as 1 is equal to 3 feet over 1 yard, or 1 is equal to 1 yard over 3 feet, depending on whether we need feet in the numerator or the denominator. In this case, we need it in the denominator, so we're going to use that one. So now we will do that times. Now we have to put the 3 feet in the bottom. 1 yard times, I'm going to go to the next line, 1 yard over 3 feet. And do it finally one last time, 1 yard over 3 feet. Now I'm going to go through and check all my units. This foot cancels with that foot. This foot cancels with that foot. This foot cancels with that foot. Right? And so now I can grab my calculator and work that out. So I'm going to have 150 times 4 times 0.5 divided by 3 divided by 3 divided by 3. And I get 11.1 yards cubed. And so we normally would say that cubic yards. 11.1 cubic yards. So I hope this example helped you.